What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be putting together the welding table today. As you can see, it's here. I've made up a clamp just to help me go through the whole thing. Threaded bar, M10. Yeah, so let's get into it. So I've got the clamp on. It's in the centre because the plate obviously is bowed slightly just from the heat. So yeah, I'm just going to put some tiny little tack welds on with the TIG. So yeah. I've just got the impact to help me put it together quicker. Good feature about making these last time. Just double check. I mean, obviously I'll be able to pull them about a little bit anyway, but so the plan is I'll do all the centres, so I've just got this one to do now, and then I will go and do the outers, just sort of clamping them the same, tapping those as well, because to be honest the slots on from the other side is the main sort of place for strength, but it doesn't need that much strength because it's all slotted together, so it's pretty strong. Well, not much strength in the weld anyway. It just it is enough. You don't want to put too much heat in because again, it's just going to bow like hell. So now I'm going to try a side. So I think I'm going to call it a day for today, and I'll be back tomorrow. wow, yes, I'm so excited. I've got the table flipped up. That's all welded together. Well, actually, no, I've still got to do these top ones, but because I tacked it underneath, it's good. So just using a ground ruler, certified, just checking for anything, and it's perfect. And this is a massive thing, having this in the workshop. Obviously I need a big one in future, but this will do for now. This is 750mm by 750mm. Yeah, I think just going to carry on over the top, and then we'll make the first thing on it.